Struggling to pack light but still bring everything you need? The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's easy, saves space, and works for almost any trip. Breakdown of the method. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method is a minimalist way to make sure you have enough outfits while keeping your luggage light. It breaks down to 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes, 2 dresses or jackets, and 1 accessory set. Here's how it works. You pack 5 tops, think t-shirts, blouses, or casual shirts, 4 bottoms like jeans, shorts, or skirts, 3 pairs of shoes for different activities, 2 versatile dresses or jackets, and a small set of accessories like sunglasses, a hat, or jewelry. You can adjust depending on where you're headed. Flexibility of the method. For a summer getaway, you might include a swimsuit in place of a jacket. Heading to a colder climate, swap those dresses for heavier layers. The great thing about this method is how adaptable it is, no matter where you're going. Outfit combinations. And don't worry about running out of outfits. With 5 tops, 4 bottoms, and 3 pairs of shoes, you can create up to 60 outfit combinations, enough to keep you stylish throughout your trip. Packing cubes tip. Want to make things even more efficient? Packing cubes are a great way to compartmentalize and maximize space. They help keep your suitcase organized and prevent chaos when you need to find something quickly. Benefits of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method. The best part, you'll likely avoid the hassle of checking in extra baggage and paying those hefty fees. Everything fits neatly into a carry-on, making your trip easier from the moment you leave home. Final tips. To really master the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method, make sure to pick versatile items that can be mixed and matched easily. Neutral colors, comfortable fabrics, and a few statement accessories will make it easier to create more looks with fewer clothes. Ready to pack smarter? Try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method for your next trip and see how much easier it makes your travel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's your go-to packing tip.